Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to tell you about myself. My name is Fajri. I'm a student at Darul Aitami Islamic Boarding School. And today I want to make hot tea. The ingredient: tea, sugar, glass, hot water, and the last tablespoon. So steps: pour enough sugar into the glass using a spoon. Next, pour enough hot water into the glass. Next, put the tea into a glass that already contains hot water. Then, stir until evenly. Finally, hot tea ready to drink. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.